Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing how to make Hyderabadi style Palak Paneer. Ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. First heat an pan and pour 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 2 medium sized onions roughly chopped. Add salt as required and salt the onions. Add 4 green chillies cut into pieces. Give it a stir and salt them. Onion changes colors and becomes translucent. Add 1 inch ginger roughly chopped. 7 to 8 garlic cloves. 8 to 10 whole cashews. Saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 3 tomatoes roughly chopped. Saute and cook tomatoes till they become soft. Tomatoes become soft. Add 1 whole bunch of spinach leaves. And cook till spinach leaves become soft. Now add handful of coriander leaves. Give it a mix and turn off the heat. Cool down the spinach onion mixture and transfer the cooled mixture to the mixer and grind into a fine paste. Heat an pan and add 1 teaspoon of butter. Add 300 grams of paneer cubes. Add salt as required. Roast paneer cubes till they turn golden in medium heat. Transfer the paneer cubes to a plate. In the same pot, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 inch cinnamon stick and 5 cloves, 3 green cardamom and 2 bay leaves. Saute them for a minute. Add 3 split green chillies and give it a stir. Now add the grind palak paste. Give it a mix and cook the palak paste till it slightly changes color and thickens. Palak paste changes colors and thickens. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix the masala powders well in the palak paste and cook till the raw smell goes. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Mix it well and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add the paneer cubes roasted. Mix them well in the palak mixture and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of KASTURI methi. Give it a mix and turn off the heat. Hyderabadi style Palak Paneer is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my kitchen recipes. Thank you.